Step outside.
How you doing?
English?
Yeah.
Okay. I just asked if you're Al and you didn't say anything, so. Can you come on out with the officers and talk? Where's the wife at? Upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Why don't you step down with these gentlemen and talk to them, okay?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Is there if I check real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can get in there.
Why don't we come down? Take a couple more steps down. Okay? So, what's going on today, Al?
Al, what's going on?
No comment.
No comment?
You can't tell us what happened?
You don't know why we're here right now?
Al, we're investigating an incident, and we need your side of the story. Can you tell us what happened between you and your wife?
No comment.
Okay.
All right. Well,
You
you
get his information while we're staying there.
Perfect. Does it hurt when you breathe at all? Okay.
My left side a couple
weeks ago.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Kimberly.
Kim, slow deep breaths, okay?
Yes.
What
Slow,
happened
deep
to your
breaths.
left side?
A couple weeks ago,
Okay.
he kneed me when he had me down, and I went to the emergency room and of course lied that I fell into something and nothing was wrong, and they just gave me a shot for the pain.
Alright.
It's the side he's getting worse.
Alright, do you want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Do you have any, did he only hit you on the chest, or is there other markings or anything like that?
I don't know. He just
Did he punch you, push you? What happened?
pushed me.
And did you
pushed
fall
me,
down?
Pulled my hair and stuff, and he got against the bed and hurt me.
Okay. What was the reason
Of
for
course, I
it?
went after him too.
So he wanted to get your phone, they said?
What?
He was trying to get your phone, is that what
Yeah,
happened?
yeah.
Okay.
Trying to get my phone.
Why was he doing that?
He just, I don't know. He wanted my phone to look at it or something. I don't know. And I
Okay.
said, please give me my phone.
Okay. All right.
Can we help you?
Are you
out?
looking to send complaints against him for domestic
Yes,
battery?
I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Just
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I don't trust him. He's got a thyroid problem and it's not stable. I can't do it anymore.
you stand up now?
That's fine. He's not going to talk to us, so if you guys just want to hang out with him, we'll go and talk to him.
Yep. I want to make a statement now, buddy. You can save yourself right now if you want to make a statement. Otherwise,
Save myself?
yeah, from you know.
What?
what allegedly
You guys
happened?
hang out with him. Yeah. He's moving out the way. 91, did we get any type of statement before she leaves? Is she going to the hospital or is she just...
Sit in the ambulance if you want to
Oh, okay, yeah. Because he's no comment.
You just want to. She's coming down.
Is that right?
You're going to stay here. You're not moving. Big boys in front of you, and don't do that.
Away from the stairs. Away from the stairs. Away from the stairs.
Just rats in the ambulance.
Hey, Kim.
Look, bud, like I said, you can help yourself if you just tell us what happened. If you're not going to talk, you're not going to talk. We don't have your side of the story, okay? There's two sides to every story.
No, there's not.
What's that?
Yes, there is. There's three sides. One side, the other side, and the truth.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
We just want to get to the bottom of the
every
truth.
story, and the truth lies somewhere in the middle.
Right. That's why, if I could get your side of the story, then we could help you out. But we don't know nothing right now. You know? We only know what she's saying. And if that's what she's saying, then that's what we got to go with. So the more you tell us, the more you can help out yourself. And not just rely on what she says, you know?
You said you're going through some hard times right now. You might be having difficulties at work, and you got some issues with your thyroid. Is that right?
How long you guys been married? Too long?
22 years.
22 years. That's older than some of the officers we got.
Yeah, I know.
man, we never been out here before, so I don't think you're a bad guy or nothing like that. I just think something happened today. I just think something happened today. I don't think you're a bad guy, okay? I think something happened today. We're trying to figure out what happened here. She's telling us her side, and I want to know how you feel or what happened on your side.
Kim, while they're working, just give us a general run through of how this started and what happened. Okay, it doesn't have to be like a whole day or a month. This has been going on. Just what happened today, the incident that we're here for now.
He's been verbally and abusing me and physically abusing me. He's got a thyroid problem. He just had a call today from his boss that he's probably going to get fired if he doesn't shape up, and he's in a bad mood, and he's hurt me, and he keeps on trying to take my phone, and just, he's awful to me.
How did he hurt you today, Kim?
He came at me and with his face forward into me, and then trying to get my phone, and we're shuffling around.
When you say his face into you, do you mean like a headbutt? Like, did he strike you with his face?
He didn't strike me, but he had headbutted up to me.
Okay. And where exactly did he hit you with that? With his head?
Forehead.
So his forehead to your forehead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did this cause you any pain?
No. Just him forcing me down because 2 days before that he hurt me in this area.
Okay, you said he forced you down today?
Yeah.
Okay, how exactly did he do that?
Pushing me, his force on me against the bed.
Strike you the left arm straight still, okay?
Yeah, it hurts.
Yeah, it'll get tight.
Okay, so he grabbed onto you and forcefully held you down?
Yeah, and I tried grabbing his hair and that, and trying to get him away from me.
Okay.
And scratching him or whatever I could do to send him away from me.
Okay. How long was that going on for, like, approximately? Like,
I don't know,
a few
half
minutes?
hour. I don't know. He's been doing that all day, though. He's been agitated, and he's not right. He's not right in the head with his thyroid.
Okay. What was he saying to you while this was happening?
I don't know. I don't know. Just mean things.
Just mean things?
Mean things.
Okay. How did this behavior make you feel?
I'm frightened of him. I'm frightened. I don't know when he's going to do this, and it's getting into a pattern now, and I don't know.
Okay, when you say a pattern, like a couple times?
This is about the 5th time he's hurt me, and I'm the only one taking care of him.
Okay, like 5th time since you guys have been married?
Oh, no.
When you say 5th time,
no,
do you mean
since he's had this thyroid problem.
And how long is that? How long has he had it for?
He's had it for about a good 6 months now. We're trying to get him regulated.
Kim, today did he strike you at all with his hands or his fists?
No.
Did he slap you? Did he hit you in the head? Hit you in the arms? Anything like that?
Yeah, it hit me in the head, hit me in the arms.
Okay.
Yeah.
With what, like an open hand slap or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Kim, do you want him arrested?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You willing to sign the complaint to come down to the police department and sign for it?
I don't know. I just don't want him near me.
Okay. Well, that's part of the process. If you want to kind of move forward with the charges, that's something you're not going to have to see him, but you're going to have to make, once you're settled in, make a trip to the police department and just do a signature for us. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that something like something you'd want to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't trust him.
Okay. At any point did you strike him? Did you hit him?
I defended myself.
Yeah. Okay, but it was all a defensive situation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Al. You want to tell us what happened?
It's up to you. This is your last chance. We're going to ask you. If you don't want to talk to us, you don't have to talk to us, but we're giving you the option right now to give us your side of the story. This would be the time where you talk to us or you tell us you don't want to talk to us.
No?
I will tell you this. Both my shoulders are out. Okay? This had nothing to do with what happened today. If you could handcuff me in the front, that would be appreciated. Behind the back is going to be really rough.
Sure.
We'll do that for
Why don't
you.
you step
As long
up,
as you're
head down
cooperative, we'll work with you. We don't want you to...
We're not here to cause you any more harm, all right? But we are here to do a job, so.
You lock the door.
No, we're not here to lock doors and everything like that. Step down here. Your wife's going to stay here.
Secure. Oh, she's going to stay?
Yeah.
What?
We need you to stand up, Al. Just come down here.
Come down to the bottom here.
Yeah.
You don't want to handcuff you on the steps.
Can we lock the door first?
We'll take care of the door.
I got my sergeant here. We'll figure that out. Go with these guys.
We're going to walk down, okay? Can you walk down? There you go.
You're going front, right? You want to hold the bottle?
Here, you got it.
Yeah, there's your water bottle.
I got it.
I'll hold it for you. You don't drop
You
it.
can't have it in the car. We might give it back to the station.
Oh, this is really happening.
Well, you don't want to talk to us, man. We're trying to help you out.
Easy.
All right, I'm gonna double lock. I'm gonna double lock these so they don't
Not
tighten up
going
on your
anywhere.
wrists. Okay. We're gonna walk this way, Al. Okay.
Switch into to arrest them.
Yeah. I gotta do another search here real quick, Al. So you can just stand right there for me.
All I got is a wallet and my phone.
Yep. I'm gonna take those out of your pockets.
I gotta make a phone call.
We'll let you do that later. All right, Al. We're gonna walk this way.
Yeah. Goodbye.
The suspect was arrested for domestic battery for making physical contact and domestic battery causing bodily harm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.